Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've had some requests to do some easy Halloween looks, and today I'm going to start with a scary-ish clown. So I'm going to give you all the basics and then you can kind of zhuzh it up however you'd like. I don't really like precise anything, so I'm going to go with that look and I'll show you how to make it more precise if you like. I think I have a little bit of mascara left over. I ran out of, what are those called? Wipies. Wipies? Makeup wipes. So I got off what I could. So typically clown, you want white face, right? But you could just use like your winter foundation, something that's just not as dark as what you normally would be maybe in the summer or something like that. So I'm gonna do that and then use a bunch of powder to set it. That way it's more of a subtle look. Right now I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Soft Ivory, which is a shade too light, as you can see. Maybe 2 shades, I don't know. This is not how you should put foundation on because I'm getting bacteria inside my foundation. Clearly, I do not care. And I picked at my face this morning before church, so I have a lot of redness to cover, so I'm just gonna pack this crap on because you want a really good full coverage situation. Wow, we should just leave this like this, huh? Oh, so beautiful. So you need some sort of foundation and powder. If you really want to go full white, you can. And you can even use like the waxier actual Halloween makeup. But this way you don't have to go out and purchase anything special. You can if you want, but this is more about using what you have. And then let's do a little bit of a concealer. Actually, I'm not gonna do concealer because we're gonna put a lot of black around the eye. I'm gonna take my Coty Airspun powder, and this is in translucent. I'm going to really press this in to set this foundation here. So I'm gonna do black around the eye, but you could do purple, and maybe I'll show that too. You could do like a dark purple, or dark green, or dark blue, or mix the two. I just really, really, really set all that. Oh my gosh, wish you could see my pants. I was gonna wear these later. And then I'll just tap off the excess of that with a flat brush. I don't know the name of this one. Unicorn? All right, so we have a nice base. There's leftover eye makeup on there, but that's fine because we're just gonna go over it, it doesn't matter. I am gonna contour a little bit. I'm gonna use this BH Studio Pro Contour Kit, which to me is more like bronzing. I actually like the Natasha Denona one better. It's a little cool toned. So I'm gonna try this one right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna contour, not too much. I'm starting at the top of my ear. And only going about halfway down, and then we'll blend that in. Turn it on its side. And you can make this a pretty clown if you want. I'm doing more of a I don't want to say dirty, but scary version. This doesn't look scary yet, except for the foundation color. All right, let's put that to the side. And then I'm going to take that flat brush again and just kind of buff that in. And you can make that more defined if you'd like. Again, you're making this whatever you want. But I don't want too much on my cheek because I want the focus to be on this big mouth here and then my eyes. So I'm gonna take the ColourPop, I don't know what kind of eyeliner, cream gel liner. It's the black one. And I'm just gonna smushy this into my eyelashes. It does not have to be perfect, right? We're going simple and easy and with what you have. And you're gonna put this on the waterline as well. And we're gonna do like a traditional clown shape. So you can start it from the eyebrow or you can start it from the liner. And I'm gonna start mine from the liner so it's all kind of mushed together. And there's a little bit of purple left here, which is fine. I'm gonna kind of bring it to a point. And then I'm gonna take my little pencil brush, which is right in front of me. Half the way is prepared. The little pencil brush, I thought. And just kind of soften that. Because again, I want this worn in like punk style. But you can make this really precise, very easily. So that's what I got going on there. Then I'm gonna take some black shadow and I'm just gonna use whatever is in this Kristen Leanne palette, which I really love. I still really love this, and not a lot of people loved this. Anyway, I like the black in here. I like a lot of colors in that. And we're just gonna go on top. Get just like a small shader brush. We're just gonna pat that on top so it sets that liner. And again, you can make this as precise as you want. Just help all that stick and stay and all that. And then you can get some lashes for the very end, depending on. We do kind of like a spiky lash. I think that'd be cool. So then I'm gonna go back to the liner and I'm gonna make that traditional shape. So I'm gonna take that. Guess I should have sharpened this one. But instead of taking it from the eyebrow, I'm gonna take it from the shadow on my actual lid. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you know. If you do make a mistake, it's easy to just fix it with some concealer. So I'm using this liner, this gooier liner as a base. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with my pencil brush and just make sure it's kind of where I want it. And this is the beauty of not doing a very precise version. Can draw a little outside the lines. And then you can also pull the bottom. I'm not sure if I want to do the bottom yet, so we're just gonna, hi Chihuahua, stick with the top. I'm gonna go back over that with my black shadow. And this would be super easy to do more defined with your liquid liner. You could even make a stencil. You could even do one eye up and one eye down. Ooh, maybe that's what we'll do. We'll see. We're just going with the flow right now. One down, one up. I'm scared. What if I mess it up? Let's go one down, one up. Okay. So in this one, I'm gonna make that same kind of shape. And like with this look, I would just kind of wrap my hair a little bit. Oh, that's cute. And just make it really big. My lips are actually my favorite part of this. Tried not to do it first. All right, so just make sure we got that down with the pencil brush, and then we're gonna go back over. Why did I put that brush back? That's not helpful. Guess we're picking up another one. All right, so packing that black on top so that it stays a little longer. And even after this, if you're like, you know, I just want it more defined, you can go around this shape with some liquid liner, make it, you wouldn't need a stencil or anything. All right, so that's what I'm doing for my eyes. And I guess I should do my eyebrow later. Let's do some lips. So I'm gonna do a couple of colors. I just picked some reds and browns out. So I'm gonna start with this NARS, the lip pencil in, I don't even know if the color's still on here. Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in something. And we're gonna go right on the inner. My lips are so chapped. Oh my gosh, okay. Inner like this. And it's a pretty color. And then I'm gonna take that same black pencil brush in the center and use it to kind of blend it out a little bit. And we're gonna go back over that with some red. This one's Bitchette from ColourPop. And you're just gonna go back and forth with this. I'll probably end up putting some black liner on the center of that. I'm gonna go above my lip line here. What we want our lips to look like. And up. On top with that red. We're just gonna layer this. I think I need that black. It's a little Dark Knight like, huh? Some red on there. Red on the outer. Ugh, I love this messy. I'm trying not to just do this all over my face. So again, this is totally up to you how messy you want this. I love this messiness. Then going back with this black, just gonna go in there at that. If you close your lips and just go like that. And go back with that brush. I don't want it to be too much of a straight line, so blend it a little. Oh, I love it. All right, so I think we're good on the, I could get a little out of control with the lips, so let's stop there. We gotta do this brow here. So what did we use? We could probably stop there. I would put some eyelashes on and also drop your palette. So eyelashes, you could even put a tear in your beer, my dear. Let's see. Pretty simple. I used a few colors of lipstick, red, a darker brown, a black liner on my lips and my eyes, a black eyeshadow, mascara, done my eyebrows, foundation powder, and some contour. And I think if I like make my hair really big, I don't know, is it missing something? You guys tell me. But I think this is a good skeleton of a clown. I like the creepy mouth. This is my favorite part. And you could go, you know, you could really make these eyes whatever you want. Definitely something to build on. You can make it more defined. You can make it different colors. You could put a tear. You could put sparkles on it. Shoot, I don't care. But that's where I'm stopping today. And there is your easy creepy clown. See you next time.